you ready to be bus drivers today? Hop in the driver's seat and let's get going. The wheels of the bus go round and round. Let's move our arms like the big wheels of the bus. Big circles with your arms round and round. Keep those wheels spinning as we drive through the town. Let's try a little wheel and a big wheel. A little wheel and a big wheel. That's it! You're doing it! Now let's add a little jump forward as we keep our wheels turning. You're doing the hip-hop wheels on the bus. Looking good, everybody! Looks like it's starting to rain. Let's use our wipers to clear the way. Move your arms from side to side like the windshield wipers. Swish, swish, swish. Now try a little faster. Swish, 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 swish. That's it. All through the town. The wheels on the bus go round and round. That's it. All the way back to the depot. Great job, bus drivers. Give yourselves a big beep. Beep, beep. Thanks for watching. For lots more great songs, subscribe to Ready, Set, Dance.